It's been a month since Apple revealed its newest iPhone, and I've had lots of time to use and review it. It comes in two sizes, including the largest display ever on an iPhone, even faster Face ID, the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, and a breakthrough dual camera system. I unpack, show, test, and review its display, battery life, water resistance, camera, and many more features to see if it's worth upgrading from an older model to an iPhone XS. The iPhone XS got a new color this time besides space gray and silver, so I couldn't wait to unpack my gold iPhone. The box contained the iPhone all covered up with this plastic wrapping, and underneath it an instruction booklet, earpods, and charger, but was notably missing a headphone dongle that you now have to buy separately. Right off the bat, all I want to see was the huge display and the beautiful gold finish popping out with its most durable scratch-resistant glass ever, with the back glass enabling faster wireless charging. To be honest, only the stainless steel band is gold. The back in some lighting makes it look beige or rose gold, which is still beautiful looking. But enough about the outside, now I'll compare the inside to older models. With 4GB of RAM and the 7nm 6-core 812 Bionic chip, the XS can work up to 15 to 30% more faster. The storage can be upgraded to a whopping 512GB, and a new battery that makes the XS last 30 minutes longer than the 10, and the XS Max lasting an hour and a half more between charges. Downloading iOS 12 also increases the speed of older models, but as shown in twice the speed fast forwarding, the XS will turn on and respond quicker before the other models can even turn on. I can really tell it's at least 15% faster by scrolling through the control center, notification screens, pages, apps, and even scrolling past the delete apps is quicker than the older models, which can help you spare more time, which I can tell as iOS 12 updates you on how much time you spend doing things on your phone like using apps. Another huge difference is the screen display and size difference, with the max being 6.5 inches. Like the 10, the XS has an edge-to-edge full screen display equal to an iPhone 8 Plus's screen. Unfortunately, it keeps the annoying notch at the top. The Super Retina display has a true color feature that allows the colors to pop and change depending on your lighting environment. The huge display improves on every app. You can see a ton more information on screen or watch videos, movies, and pictures better. Not only looks-wise, but organizational-wise too. If it's scrolling through list displays such as Safari, Messages, Emails, Contacts, YouTube, or even Netflix, it helps that the long display presents a lot more to you so you can get what you want quicker or more accurately. This is helped a lot by iOS 12, as the old iOS would give too much on a smaller display, while the XS is all organized in folders, only opening them when you want to. It makes my experience better with a big screen, and I enjoy my favorite apps like Snapchat and Instagram more with larger snaps and pictures. The returning Face ID feature is amazing, accurate, and a lot faster. I can literally just look at my phone and I can unlock or pay for stuff in a second. It helps a lot when you need to sign into websites or accounts quickly. It even brings new features with face mimicking like an emoji, changing the game for the generic voice messages out there. The speakers are louder with a wider stereo playback, creating a more immersive soundstage, though it looks like one speaker is wider than the other, and again, no headphone jack. But to me, the biggest feature for the XS is the dual camera. The 12MP f1.8 wide-angle lens and f2.4 telephoto lens both contain image stabilizers and a mind-blowing zoom. Now, portrait mode contains a true depth control that allows you to take stunning photos from the front and back cameras with blurs around the subject or remove the background completely. You can also change the depth of field after you look at the picture to truly control the perfect blur you want. The different pre-made features include stage light mono, stage light, contour light, studio light, and natural light, recreating the picture to whatever you want it. The telephoto lens has a button on the screen to just tap for a 2x zoom, but if you really need to zoom in, use your fingers to zoom in up to 10 times. You can even see the hospital from my apartment that is almost 5 kilometers away. It is crazy how far you can get for a video or that perfect picture. The iPhone XS's water resistance also has been upgraded to IP68. That means you can submerge your iPhone for up to 2 meters underwater for 30 minutes, which Apple has tested for everyday spills like coffee, tea, and soda, even in a pool. Other features are improved VR and Siri shortcuts. But to me, the improved camera system, its features, and gold finish hooked me in first. Though it comes with an expensive starting price tag of $1,379 Canadian and $1,000 American, I personally believe it's worth upgrading from an older model. Being the most quickest and having the largest display ever on an iPhone, its gold finish, improved dual camera system, faster Face ID, a powerful A12 chip, longer battery life, and water resistance, it is a heavily improved version of the 10 as expected from an S-year iPhone. I truly believe it's finally worth upgrading from an older model to an iPhone XS. I give it a 9 out of 10. Subscribe, like, comment for more videos and reviews like this one. I help settle the debate of what's worth using for an iPhone, Apple Music, or as rival Spotify. Once again, subscribe for more content.